Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CRD News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines: Pakistan and Hungary launched trade and economic window. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi and his Hungarian counterpart Peter Szijjarto jointly inaugurated Hungary-Pakistan trade and economic window. Fake woman journalist demands 10,000 rupees from cope in audio leak case registered. A fake woman journalist has been booked over demanding extortion from a policeman in Karachi. KPK government opposes ban on TikTok in Pakistan. The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government opposed a ban on the popular short video sharing app TikTok. Supreme Court stays repolling in Daska NA 75. The Supreme Court granted a stay order against the Election Commission of Pakistan's decision regarding re-election on a vacant National Assembly seat NA 75 in Punjab's Daska. Sabah Qamar confirms that she is ready to tie the knot. Sabah Qamar has found the man of her dreams and is ready to tie knot. The chic star confirmed in a statement to the local publication. Rupee closes 38 paisa higher against US dollar. The Pakistani rupee continued to strengthen against the United States dollar in the interbank currency market. Umair Jaswal marks Sana Javed's birthday with adorable picture. Sana Javed is celebrating her 28th birthday on 25th March and her husband singer Umair Jaswal has made sure to make it a special one for the Ruswai star. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.